just explaining you what we did, all right? This is Goldie's. What did you say to me in the backside? How would I announce you, Goldie? Oh my God, Goldie with the golden personality. Wow, but you are, darling. So actually this is Goldie's hair. So Julie did all the preparation, okay? I didn't do anything. And just, directions, but that, yeah, I like to do that. So anyway, you used the iron, how do you say that?
A pin iron. The tiniest iron. It's like a little pin, the smallest one. Yep.
Pin iron, and I wanted to have that graphic feeling in front with the braiding, okay? So what we are going to do, we're just going to add some little details, because I think, this is not only stage hair. This is hair that we use in reality. Don't hold back. When you watch the Met Gala, you see what they are wearing. They are wearing fucking underwear, So we can do more. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. It's you that draws the line, not they. Remember that. We are drawing the line. We are saying, I'm not going further than this. We do that, not our clients, okay? So, all right, what we need gel and we need brush. Where's the brush? No, not this one, like to put on the gel. Like the color brush. Ah, okay, so, see? Yeah, can you get?
Yeah.
We forgot. We're so professional, Doesn't matter. I'm gonna start with something else. We always have a plan B.
Color brush.
So, okay, this is like makeup powder. So actually I mixed two colors. You can see that. Where's the camera? Oh wait, where are you? Oh yeah, there you are. Is you in front? Okay, hi guy, thank you for helping me out. So two colors, all right? So I wanna play with it and just add this on the hair. Okay, wow. Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. Let it drop. Look, you see? David Bowie, David Bowie, he said, from the moment that you are in a room, that your feet are touching the ground, you are in the wrong room, okay? So whenever your feet are not touching the ground, that's the moment where you discover, just do it. Don't be afraid, just do it. I made a lot of mistakes with it, but now I know, you see? So dusty hair, and then the brush.
She has to go get it.
Where? Downstairs. No, okay, let's do this differently. Okay. Can I have my comb?
Yep.
So, all right.
This one?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm gonna add some gel on this side. So that's what I like about, this kind of hairdressing, is that we are actually working with different materials, different textures. And when I talk about hairdressing, I love to talk about, the fabrics like leather, mohair, all these things. And that's actually what I'm doing. This is the leather, this is the mohair. You get it? So, and that's actually what is making the design. So, oh man, this is so beautiful.
So how I created these braids, Ludovic suggested using our taffy with our texture cream, and I popped it in a bowl and I took a color brush, and each section I outlined with it, just about a 1/2 inch to get those flyaways, because believe it or not, her natural texture is very similar to this, just a little bit straighter to the base and the mids. So that's obviously why we had to create texture a little bit closer to the scalp. But I went ahead and outlined everything, each section, and then sliced into it with the color brush and did a little root tap as well. And then I took the tail comb and I actually brushed it all together. And then I was able to create a nice tight braid because she has a lot of flyaways. So I thought that that was a really good opportunity to use the taffy and texture cream together for that. And then when I did blow dry her today, I actually blow dried in our foundation mousse, as well as we did a little beach spray around her hairline because she has those little tight curls, right? So I went ahead and did a flat wrap just to get that nice and tight to her scalp.
Look at the screen. It's good, right?
Beautiful.
You love it? Yeah? Okay, so this is the contrast between the all the products that we use. Now I'm gonna do the salting. Okay? So can you turn around? Thank you, darling. I love to do the salty. I'm gonna open a restaurant in Dubai.
It's a pizzeria.
No, but really, but this works. Okay, just show you that it works. You know, I tell you a story. Okay, this is a funny story. One time I had to give a show in Paris, and it was actually together with Angelo Simonara. You know Angelo? Yeah. So he's amazing. You know, I was so afraid. How do they say that? I was shitting my pants off or something like that. Yeah. And then I had a model, and she had really long hair, and we had extensions, and we had beautiful color on it, a little bit grayish. And I said to my assistant, you know what? I go out, you do, the ironing. Can you go with your head a little bit forward? Thank you. And she was doing that, and when I came back, the hair was yellow. Like all the color went off. Imagine, I'm standing there in Paris, next to the Moulin Rouge, with Angelo Simonara, and I have to give a show next to him. I said, oh my God, what I'm gonna do? So I was thinking, and then I said, okay, I know it. Just go buy some baby powder, all right? And so what we did, we used a lot of baby powder on her hair. And then I created a story about the Amish people working on the fields. Got it? So when she was on stage, this is real, it happened. When she came on stage, I used my razor to cut her hair because with the scissor that was not possible anymore because of all the dust. But from the moment that I did my snap, the dust came out in the blue light. And I was talking about Amish people in the field with, and everybody was like, oh my God, this is so original. I said, yeah, I know, yeah. No, really, that happened. But that's what I was saying about David Bowie, Can go a little bit forward? Yeah. So, yeah. So from that moment on, I did this more. But this is good, right? This is looking good, huh? That's powder, yeah. That's makeup powder.
Setting powder. Yep.
Yeah.
The Rude Cosmetics out there. That's what they're called, Rude. So we got some. Yeah.
But the thing is, it's not looking silly, it's looking fancy, It's looking festive already. And that's what I want to create with her. I want to send her on the streets like this. And I'm not ready yet, because we're going to do another effect after all. I'm not going to do this right now. You're going to see why. Okay. You're shining, darling. Yeah.
So we did shampoo her, lighten her out with our CBD line. ANZA has 3 vegan lines now. Our CBD, our True, and now our curls. So the CBD line is very, very relaxing, very awesome. All the products have 85 milligrams of CBD isolate, and the actual serum has 100 milligrams of the CBD isolate, so you can use it on your hands. We have CBD body as well. And then something I wanted to mention too was our True. We have our True shampoo and conditioner. It's a powder waterless shampoo. And then we have our lightweight conditioner. So that's something if you have clients that are
good.
that are conscious of the environment. All 3 of those brands are very, very sustainable. And we do have deals on those at the Life of Riley booth too.
Cool? You like it? Okay. Me too. Yeah, great, right? Tell everybody, you should have seen the last show, the ANZA show, And before I finish this off, I really want to thank Kelly Uter from Life of Riley to give us the chance to show this show, okay? To show this show. Yeah, okay. My English is not the best. Can you go forward?
And he gave us an opportunity to perform together again, which I was really, really excited to do. He came a long way, all the way from Belgium. You got to show up and be here, This type of look is really cool to show just because you can do so many different techniques on one head, right? From the braids to the curls to the styling, so many different things we can do.
You love it? Yeah? Okay, thank you very much. So we're ready.
Yes.
So this is what I was talking about, just don't be afraid. Use the tools that you normally don't use. Just, do that and try to go far